Hi everyone, this is Sandeep, and today I'm here with a different video, and it's all about the programmer. So on the programmer, like I have lots of customer who has a confusion how to set the timer, and even sometimes they even don't know how to turn on it on, like turn on and off, because the programmer they are different property, and the different brand have the different like features. So let's just start with this one. So this is the boiler, and here it's a 00, so that means it's on standby. It's standby. And here you can see this is sunvic select extra large programmer. So at the moment this is off, it's in off position. So you can see this one is for the time, this is the current time, so it's 6:14 p.m. You can see ADV plus 1 hour, and this sign is for the heating and this one is for the hot water. Yeah, so the light is off, that means it's off. So let's open it. So now it's in more detail. Here below you can see the instruction, what these signs are for, and here are the instruction how to change the time, how to put the programmer on timer, and how to turn it on, when to turn it on, and when to turn it off. So here, so this is the day, and this is the button day, this is copy, this is for the heating, hot water, and this is set, next, and this is time. And if something goes wrong, just this is the reset button. So I'm not going in a detail, so I'll just tell in really let me try to make it really short. So let's start. So here you can see this bar on off position, that means it's off. If you need to change it, just press this thing. All day, it goes to the all day, light is on, that means it's on the heating side. Auto on a timer, on, constantly on. Again, it's off. And on off position, you can press this thing to turn it on for 1 hour. So once it press, so the boiler will turn on for 1 hour, making your radiator hot, so heating is on. To turn it off, off. But this ADV doesn't work. It only works on all day and auto setting. So all day you can just use this as a switch. Same with the auto. On a timer you can use this as a switch. On, nothing works. Same here on the hot water side. So off all day, then auto, and then on, and then again off. So this is how it works. And let's start with the timer. So how to set on a timer? So you can set in two timer mode. One, you can set on a 2 for each side. Means for the heating you can turn on twice and turn off twice. Hot water same. One in the morning, one in the afternoon, or evening, whenever you like. So let's start. So start, press set. So at the moment it's on a run position. Just press this thing. This thing goes over this clock sign, and this is to set your current time. So this one is for the day, if you want to change the day, and if you want to change the time, just plus and minus. This is how you can change the time. If you press it again, then it comes the heating. So when the heating, this bar is over the heating, you will see another bar on the top of on. So this 20 past 8 a.m. is the on timer for the heating. So the boiler will turn on at 20 past 8 in the morning, and this is one timer for the heating. So if you press next, then this is for the off timer. So this is the time when the boiler turn off. Again, if you press, then that 1 change to 2. So this is the second timer for the heating. It will turn on at 50 past 2 p.m. and it will turn off at 10 p.m. So it's really simple. And if you press set again, this is for the hot water. So the hot water, timer 1 will turn on at 20 past 6. To change the time, plus minus below, and this just press as set. So again I'll show you. So it's on the top of this hot water. You can change the timer. So I put 6:30. Then again off. I want to turn it off at 8:30. So this is the timer 1. I'm going for the timer 2. It will turn on at 4:30, and I'm talking about the hot water, yeah. And if you do it again off, it will turn off at 10:30 in the evening. So I'm going to change at 11. So once I'm happy with the time, I select, so it just goes all the way back. And to turn on the timer, just press it on auto, and then don't worry about turning on and off manually. It will turn on according to the timer you set. Or if you want to override, just press ADB and make it work like a switch. Okay, that's all for today. If you really like this video, and if you think this video is really useful to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Again, I'll come with another video. Thank you very much.